Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on customizing your email signature in Microsoft Word. First, open your email signature template in MS Word. Okay, let's start to personalize it. To add your business logo or a professional photo, right-click the image placeholder and select Change Picture. Then, from a file, select your image. It will fit the designated area automatically. The next step is to update your name, title, and contact details by changing the text with your information. To customize an email, right-click the current link, and in the context menu, select Hyperlink, then edit Hyperlink. In the modal window, edit the text to display and email address. Click OK to save your changes. Repeat the same steps for the website address. In the modal window, edit the text to display and address, then click OK. To change the text color, select the line and click the drop-down icon next to font color. You can choose one of the predefined colors from the list or add more colors. Let's move to social icons. Please right-click the placeholder, select Change Picture from a file, and then upload your image. Repeat this process for all application icons you want to add. If you have fewer than 5, remove the rest. To make icons clickable, right-click an icon, select Hyperlink, and paste your profile's URL. This will transform every email into a networking opportunity. Next, let's insert the Call to Action button. Right-click the image placeholder and select Change Picture. Then, from a file, select your image. Adjust the size of the image if needed. To add the link, right-click the button and select Hyperlink. Type or paste the link in the pop-up window and click OK to save changes. Congratulations! Your personalized email signature is now complete. The final step is integrating it into your email application, showcasing your professional brand with every email you send.